Hello, in this video we will go through the key features, functionalities and benefits of Odoo 18 Dynamic Accounting Reports module. This module introduces a suite of advanced reports including general ledger, trial balance, balance sheet, profit and loss, cash book, bank book, partner ledger, aged payable, aged receivable and tax reports, all tailored to provide detailed and interactive financial analysis. Now let's look at one by one features of this report. So first navigate to the menus, go to the accounting menu, and under the reporting menu, when you scroll down under the dynamic financial reports section, you will have all the dynamic financial reports here. So first now let's look at the general ledger report. The General Ledger Report in Odoo 18 provides a detailed overview of all financial transactions recorded across different accounts. It displays debit, credit, and balance amounts for each account, helping business track income, expense, and financial movements. This General Ledger also provides a drill-down view. For that, you can just click on this icon and it will provide you a drill-down view of the detailed report. And when you click on the general items, it will directly take you to the general items of the general ledger. And also you have multiple filtering options with date range, journals, analytic, and other options where you can include the draft entries or unfold all the general ledger at once. And by clicking on the print PDF button, you will get a PDF report of the general ledger like this. And when you click on export XLSX button, you will get a Excel report for the general ledger as shown here. So that's about the general ledger report. Now let's move to the next report. For that, go to the reporting menu, and now let's start with the trial balance report. The trial balance report in Odoo 18 provides a summary of all ledger accounts displaying their debit and credit balances for a selected period. It enables the total debits match total credits, helping business verify the accuracy of their accounting records before generating financial statements. So you can see the trial balance here, and the trial balance also provides a drill down view. For that, just click on this icon. It will give you the general ledger and the journal items. When you click on the general ledger, it will directly take you to the general ledger of this trial balance, and when you click on the journal items, it will take you to the journal items of this account. And here you can filter it by date range. You can have the option to comparison between number of periods. You can filter it by journals and other options, and you have two buttons to print it in PDF or in Excel report. Now let's look at another feature, another report, that is balance sheet. For that, go to the reporting, go down and open the balance sheet. The balance sheet report in Odoo 18 provides a snapshot of company's financial position by summarizing assets, liabilities, and equity at a given date. It helps business access financial stability, track resource allocations, and make informed strategic decisions. The balance sheet report includes a drill down view also. By clicking on the icon, you will get the drill down view, and you have multiple filtering options like date range, comparison, journal accounts, analytic accounts, and even target moves. Then you have two options to print the balance sheet report, as in PDF or in Excel format. So now let's look at another report. For that, go to the reporting menu, go down, and now let's look at profit and loss report. The profit and loss report in Odoo 18 summarizes a company's revenues, costs, and expenses over a specific period, providing insight into profitability. It helps business assess financial performance and make informed decisions to improve profitability. The profit and loss report also includes a drill down view. You can get the drill down view by clicking on the icon and it will open up the view. Here you have multiple filtering options available by date range, comparison, journal accounts, analytic accounts, and even target moves. Then you have two buttons to print the report in PDF or in Excel format. Now let's look at another feature, another report of our module. For that, go to the reporting, go under the dynamic financial report section, and now let's look at partner ledger. The partner ledger report in Odoo 18 provides a detailed statement of all financial transactions related to each customer and vendor. It tracks invoices, payments, outstanding balance, helping business manage receivables and payables effectively. As you can see, it will be categorized by each partner. By clicking on the partner, you will get a drill down detailed view of that partner. And here you have two buttons, that is open partner and journal items. If you click on open partner button, it will directly take you to that partner. And when you click on the journal items, it will directly take you to the journal items of this partner. You can see the debit, credit, and here you have multiple filter options with date range, account, and other options that you can include the draft entries and unfold all the ledger partner. Then you have two buttons to print the ledger report, either in PDF or in Excel report. Now let's look at another financial report. For that, go to the reporting menu, scroll down and come under the dynamic financial report section. Now let's look at aged receivable report. The aged receivable report in Odoo 18 provides a detailed breakdown of outstanding customer invoices categorized by due date. It helps business track overdue payments, assess credit risk, and manage cash flow effectively. So it is also categorized by partner. So when you click on the partner, you will get the detailed drill down view for that partner. And similar as in the above report, we have two buttons, that is you can open the partner or you can go to the journal items directly from here. You have two different filtering options by date range and you can unfold them. Then you have two buttons, either to print the aged receivable report in PDF or in Excel format. Now let's look at another dynamic financial report. For that, go to the reporting, and now let's look at aged payable. The aged payable report in Odoo 18 provides a detailed breakdown of outstanding vendor invoices categorized by due dates. It helps business track overdue payments, manage supplier obligations, and maintain healthy cash flow. Like in the aged receivable, you have the drill down option available in aged payable also. So just click on the partner and it will give you a detailed drill down view. Then you can open the partner by clicking on the open button, and you can see the journal items by clicking on the journal items. Then you have different filtering options. You can filter by date range, and other option like you can unfold all the payables. Then you have two buttons available, that is print PDF and export it in Excel report. So now let's look at another report. For that, go to the reporting menu and let's now look at cash book report. The cash book report in Odoo 18 provides a detailed record of all cash transactions, including receipts and payments. It helps business monitor cash flow, track daily cash movements, and maintain accurate financial records. So all the transactions regarding to the cash will be recorded and viewed here in this report. Here you have the drill down view available for cash book. Then you have multiple filtering options by date range, accounts, and other options. You can print the cash book either in PDF by clicking on the print PDF button, or you can export it to XLS by clicking on export XLSX button. So that's about the cash book. Now let's look at another financial report. For that, go to the reporting menu again, go under the dynamic financial report, and now let's look at bank book. The bank book report in Odoo 18 provides a detailed record of all bank transactions, including deposits and withdrawals. It helps business track bank account balances, reconcile transactions, and manage cash flow effectively. As similar in the cash book, you have the drill down option available in the bank book also, and you have multiple filtering options with date range, accounts, and other options. Then you have two buttons. Either you can print the bank book report in PDF or in Excel report. Now let's look at the last dynamic financial report. For that, go to the reporting, and now let's look at the tax report. The tax report in Odoo 18 provides a comprehensive summary of tax liabilities, including collected and paid taxes. As you can see, the sales tax is the collected tax, and the paid tax is the purchase tax. So here you will have multiple different filtering options with date range. You can add the comparison. You have the option to include all draft entries. Then you have two buttons available, that is print PDF and export in XLS. So that's all about the dynamic financial report in Odoo 18. Thank you.